Welcome. If you want to enter notification settings in your ALLVIEW X4 Soul Style, let's go for the settings. Right now you have to scroll down and enter notification. And right now we can change the options for the lock screen, so click right here. And I think we can set up on the do not show notification cards. So there's the first option, but also we can manage notice, so click here. And if you want to permanently turn off notifications, for example from the maps, you have to click here and use this switcher to block them all. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.